Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by safely stopping Explorer so it can restart cleanly. First, save any files and close apps. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC or use Ctrl+Alt+Del and pick Task Manager. In Processes, find Windows Explorer, click it, then choose Restart. If Restart is unavailable, click End Task. This forcibly stops the shell. Once done, Windows will usually restart Explorer automatically. If it doesn't, you'll relaunch it manually in the next step. Once Explorer is stopped, relaunch it. In Task Manager, choose File, right arrow, Run New Task, type Explorer.exe and press Enter. You're restarting the shell so the UI, taskbar, and desktop return. Next, open File Explorer options via Control Panel or Settings, and on the View tab, reset folder views and ensure Launch Folder Windows in a separate process is set according to stability needs. Uncheck it to reduce crashes. Finally, if problems persist, inspect User Registry. If Explorer keeps crashing, boot into Safe Mode to see if third-party extensions cause the issue. In Safe Mode, run a lightweight tool like shell-x-view to disable non-Microsoft shell extensions. One bad handler often breaks the context menu or shell. Also run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If corruption persists, create a new user profile to confirm user-specific settings are the problem. Troubleshooting tip: if Explorer fails after an update, uninstall the update or roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.